Hey everyone, I'm Mark Sievers and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to infuse flavor in store-bought hummus. So while making homemade hummus is fairly simple to do, I don't always have tahini paste on hand or cans of chickpeas in the pantry. So this recipe really is about how to take great store-bought hummus that has already great flavor and infusing it with lots of other fresh ingredients. And this is my dill and lemon hummus. So let me walk you through exactly what I have going on overhead. So here I have a nice big bowl and I have 16 ounces of a very smooth hummus. This is a plain variety. This is what I find works best for this particular recipe. And I'm just gonna take this, scoop it out into the bowl, and now I'm gonna add all kinds of yummy things directly to this hummus. So I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil right in. Choose really good, flavorful olive oil. And then I have some fresh dill. So dill is classic kind of in the flavor of dill pickles. And what I love about dill is how much instant freshness it adds to whatever it is you're putting into it. So this is about a tablespoon and a half of fresh dill, just roughly chopped, put that right in. The measurements to this recipe are on my website, marcsievers.com, so don't worry about having to write anything down. You can go find the recipe there. And then I have some green onions. I need about 2 tablespoons or so of green onions. These are gonna add a little oniony bite. And I like to use the light green and white parts. I think it all has flavor and it gives great color. So put those right in. These are delicious. The zest of a lemon. So this is just 1 small lemon. And I'm using my handy dandy rasp or microplane. This is the perfect tool to help get just that bright yellow part of this rind off of the lemon. And the reason I'm doing lemon zest instead of lemon juice is I don't want to water down the hummus. And also, all the essential oils live in this beautiful rind of this lemon. So I'm doing it also over the bowl. And you'll see when you're microplaning or zesting things at home, all of that essential oil is going to shoot into your recipe. And you want that in the dish instead of on the board. And then some black pepper, about a half a teaspoon. This is a great recipe. You can also add hot pepper flakes, other herbs, but try this as it is first. And then 1/3 cup of freshly ground Parmesan cheese. So I like using ground Parmesan cheese. I actually learned this technique from Ina Garten. She puts all of the Parmesan cheese cut into blocks in her food processor and just grates it up and grinds it up until you have this coarse texture. I think it adds a great texture to this dish. And also you can kind of, when you take a nice piece on a hunk of bread or a cracker, it really does taste like Parmesan cheese. And then I'm just gonna mix this up. And et voila, dill and Parmesan hummus. So from here you can serve it right away. You can scoop it into an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator for a few days. I actually think it tastes better if you do it like 2 or 3 days ahead of time and let it sit. All those flavors meld together and it becomes the most flavorful hummus. Head over to marcsievers.com for this recipe. And of course, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the little bell notification so you're notified of new videos as soon as they post. I'll see you guys really soon. Bye. First I gotta taste it, obviously. You can taste everything. The Parmesan, green onions, fresh dill. It's great. Bye guys.